I want to thank you so much for your interest in Supreme Wraps. It is such an exciting time to be a part of this team and to be a part of this family. My name is Steve Mandala. I'm the founder and CEO of Supreme Wraps. Way back in 2016, I decided to start a wrap business to service all kinds of customers, from the guys driving the Honda Civics to the guys with the Bugattis and the corporations needing commercial wraps, all the way down to the guys just needing a simple window tint. We've evolved so much from that point. And in this video, I just want to give you a brief history of who we are, why we do what we do, and where we're going from here. Supreme Wraps is an amazing story. It's a faith-filled story. It's a business story of expansion, of explosive growth, and on top of that, of innovation and quality. So come along with me on this ride to see if you could be a future Supreme Wraps franchisee. In 2016, we started off as a one-bay small shop in Orlando, Florida. We're wrapping about 1 car a week. Over the next couple of months of us being open and operational, it started to become 2, 3, 4, 5 cars a week. And we saw that this model was easily scalable. By 2018, we went from an 1,800 square foot shop to 11,000 square foot shop in where our current Orlando location is still operating out of. That shop services about 200 to 300 cars a month. And it is absolutely amazing to see how Orlando continues to perform. That seed planted in Orlando, Florida, grew from Orlando to where I'm filming this right now, Dallas, Texas, all the way to Scottsdale, Arizona, and even further out to Orange County, California. We started to expand to take Supreme Wraps' vision across the country. What separates us from every single other wrap shop out there is actually not just a simple answer. I'm gonna go through that right now. What separates us is, outside of just quality and hospitality, it's also our research and development, which we pour hundreds of thousands of dollars into a year, our proprietary marketing system, and our customer relationship management. If you take a look at our Google profiles, you'll see real results of real customers giving us exceptional feedback on how we treat them, the quality of the work that we do, as well as the follow-up and their overall sales experience. Our vision and our goal is to see Supreme Wraps spread across every major market in the United States in order to bring innovation, integrity, and excellence into the automotive industry. And we want you to be a part of it. What sets Supreme Wraps aside and why you should join the Supreme Wraps team is very simple. We have developed a scalable business model that's proven to be successful, and developed a family-owned business-like atmosphere that is scalable and replicable throughout the country. So you can take our training that we give, our resources and our knowledge and our data, and scale it into the location of your choosing and become successful using our brand, using our processes, supported by our training and our exceptional staff to bring you into the future that you want for yourself. We're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making this business better and better day by day. And we want to share that with you. And we believe that you have the opportunity to share it with your community. You've obviously been looking at a lot of other franchises. You're a prudent entrepreneur, and I'm speaking directly to you when I say this. Look at other franchises, look at other opportunities, and then compare the opportunities that you have with what Supreme Wraps is going to give you. We have staff that offers complete support. Every single one of our staff has been born and raised inside of Supreme Wraps. This has been their blood, sweat, and tears since they entered into the automotive industry. So you're not getting a paper pusher. You're getting someone that has elbow grease and has sweat equity into this enterprise. That's number one. Number two is that we're not a jack of all trades. We're not the quote-unquote Walmart of the automotive industry. When you call us up, we're not trying to sell you radios and all types of accessories. You come to us because you're a high net worth client and you know exactly what you want, and you know the value of what we give. Also, what sets us aside, if you look over my right-hand shoulder, it's a box of Apteryx, which is our own proprietary film. It's our own formulation that is only available to Supreme Wraps franchisees. Unlike every other shop out there that is a third party or a middleman for every other film on the market, we have our own film that we bring to the table, which gives you a lower cost of goods, gives our customer a better name to stand behind, and also a better warranty. That film is a 15-year warranty. It is a nationwide warranty, and it's something that a lot of other companies don't have. Furthermore, we have our own line of colored paint protection film, which is the next generation of the automotive styling business. We are ahead of the curve by years, and no one's going to be able to catch up to us at the pace that we're going. And so we want people like you to join our team to get excited about what's going on so that we could revolutionize this car industry for years and years to come. You may be asking yourself at this point, how do I become a Supreme Wraps franchisee? Well, first and foremost, there is a qualification process that we go through. We don't just allow anybody to enter into our family. We want to make sure that you are financially able to meet the requirements of this business. We also want to be able to make sure that you have the stamina and the ability, both in the business, emotional, and even spiritual world, in order to sustain in this environment. Business is business. There's no such thing as an easy dollar anymore. And so we want to make sure that we are partnering with people who have the stamina and the ability to navigate through all different types of seasons and all different types of times. Albeit, yes, we do give you the tools necessary. Yes, we do have the advertising and the proprietary things in place to make you successful. But at the end of the day, you are the one responsible for your own success. And we want people who are willing to take things by the reins and innovate and move in their own direction, obviously with our guidance and with our principles intact. If you share our passion for automotive excellence and you believe that you have what it takes to succeed with the Supreme Wraps family, I'm going to invite you to scroll down and apply for a request for consideration for an open Supreme Wraps franchise territory. They're going fast. We're not offering territories everywhere. When considering whether or not you want to be a Supreme Wraps franchisee, I do want to say that there are very limited territories available. We're not going to open up a franchise location in every corner of every block of every city. We have identified several territories that we know fit our exact demographic and are destined for success. So if you're interested in that form that you're going to fill out, please include the city and state of which that you are looking for, and we will see if it fits where we are looking to expand. These locations are going to go fast. Our first interest and our first location received 84 applications. We do not want you to sit on the sidelines when the opportunity is hot and the ability to strike is right now. I look forward to meeting you in person. I cannot wait to see where this goes, and I am so excited to one day invite you into the Supreme Wraps family.